Hello, welcome to another episode of Z3 RPG Development. This is Z3 RPG version 0.15.3. Okay, no, this is nothing, but regardless. So yeah, I've got some testing to do. First, I'm just gonna, alright, glance at a couple things real quick. That's the player start. Okay, good. Alright, so I need to test, make sure the achievement doesn't randomly go off. Go off when it's not supposed to. The Kingslayer achievement. Oh, that's loud. Yeah, continue game. That's fine. This was based on a new game anyway. Grab my money. Yeah, good money. Save the game again. I was starting to do PCC, Batonia's capital city tasks. Excuse me. Up here, I'm about to talk to this lady. Yeah, I just canceled that. And I could buy something. Well, but I'm not using stabs, so yeah. So it's only 160. Sell my potions. I wanted to not do that. Click up here, gives you the keys to work with use, or you can just click the mouse or not. Yeah, you can. You do this way. Left click. Your right click, go back. Yeah. Unlock the cancels as well. Bye now. So this game you can use either your mouse or the keyboard. I personally find that the keyboard works better. Yeah, it's not open yet. It's the wrong time of day. Only open between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m. Alright, good. This is what I want to test right here. This one. Good. It didn't go. It seems to be fixed. What's up, this guy? Oh, traveler. Do you need healing? Nah. Very well. Go in peace. Talk to this guy, this happens. Huzzah! That's it, I'm out of here. Alright. So, item shop. It's the item shop right here. I should have it here. Like a keyboard key or something that allows you to hide this. You should be able to put up something like that. Unfortunately, I don't know enough about JavaScript to be able to do any of that, but hey, what do you do my house? And stay out. And talk about this. There should be a letter here. That's not exactly working. We'll be back. Or I'll be back. Let's talk to this guy real quick. This is my home. I will not leave. You can't reach me. Okay. Guy lives in a tent in the middle of town. She just like barricaded. Okay, I'm just gonna save this real quick. Yeah, it's another way you can move around is by the mouse. Is by clicking on the screen, left clicking. And that little effect is from a plugin. That is not the default effect. If I click down here, I should be able to exit my tent. Yeah, and click over here, go back to the tent. But like I said, I find the keyboard tends to work a little bit better in most cases. Alright, so I forgot what it was I was going to do now. Can I get interrupted a little bit? And I'll figure it out. Wasn't? Oh, okay, I know what it was. It's Ghost House. Below characters. Maybe that's why, because it's below characters. There we go. That's why I can walk through them too. Oh, no. I don't want to be able to walk through the skeletons. Or walk over them, I should say. In this case. Yeah. Because if I go like this below character, now you can walk over them. But now you cannot. Yeah. And that should do it. Alright, now to test this. Testing. Game. File 1. Not walking to the sand. I don't have the debug key held down, so everything will work according to the way it's supposed to work. Oh my god, right. Ghost House is over here. Now I shouldn't be able to walk through these guys. Good. There's nothing there. Still shows up in the field. Not consumable. Oh, okay. Field only. This is where you can use it. I got an idea. That's why it's on field. Okay. But I do have a better idea. No scope. Oh, duh. Yeah. But occasion. Never. You cannot use it. So that's the use. An object. Okay, there we go. Emblem. Key items. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Okay, good. It is on 0. Making sure price is 0 for it. Okay, because it cannot be bought or sold. Certain hit types. Okay, so these bombs do work. I want to see something here. Oh, that's not what I want to see. I know exactly what I want to do. See, what I want to do is, how do I do the, I think I know what the formula is. So what I want to do is basically take this and half of the defense, subtract it from. So minus enemy's defense. Let's see. I believe that's B. wrong parentheses, p.def/2. So if I'm correct, that should be it. Okay. And here, oops, minus B defense, oh, small b. B is the person that's being used on, not the user or the enemy. 1/3 of the defense. So there. Effects. Would have to use a common event if I wanted to do a scripting for this. Like for example, on snow, like certain terrain would give you faster speed. So yeah, so those bombs are modified a little. Okay, I had to stop for a minute. I had something I had to do. Oh, alright, so what was I doing here? Okay, so this works. And I believe it's on the right scope now. Let's just test it real quick. Actually, first thing I'm going to do is put something else in. Add something else in, excuse me. Whatever. Alright, so this guy is the one who's going to, yeah, he's going to revive people. So, I think I might have a problem. Slight problem. I need to use another switch. Alright. This is what I gotta change. Okay, before that, conditional branch and item letter 1. New show text. See if we got Lazarus. There he is. I'm lazy. Whoops. There we go. Lazarus. There we go. Okay. choices. There we go. I'm just switching this over. Instead of having another page, I'm putting this on the same page. So I don't have to worry about the self switch on this. I'm actually going to eliminate one of the event pages. Now let's just review this. Okay, except okay, good. That's what I thought. I hoped I did rather. Could be kind of confusing with all this text and stuff around. You've killed the king. This will happen. Except, yep. If it's on, alright, it does have a north branch, and that's it right there. There we go. That's better. Sometimes it helps to fold things a little bit. There we go. Underneath this, you have letter 1. This should end. Alright, I had more in my head, but I forgot what I was going to do. Blah 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 blah. Just spell the choices, give him a letter. This happens and A is on instead of B. If you ignore it, you do nothing and it should exit this, but just in case, that's what I'm doing. So this can go. This can go to A. Good. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it really for this event. Good. So I'm going to retest it. Except one thing. I cannot access Lazarus without killing the king. And I know I'm not up to it, because my character is not strong enough at the very beginning of the game. Even the test player isn't strong enough. But just a real quick test anyway, because I can actually teleport to that map using the debug menu. Alright, good. Let's get the weather, that's my question. Nope, not yet. Good. Walk across there and up here. Where do I want to go? Ghost house. So I check the letter, make sure the letter's set up right. Good. It's off the field now. It's only on key item. That's what I wanted. And now reset this. Now, I'm going to teleport. Not there. Whoops. There we go. Let's try this again. World is not being used. Not past it. There we go. Boom. Oh, there we go. Whoops, I have not defeated the king. And this door doesn't work yet. Or have I defeated the king? Aha. Let's see what number it is. I've defeated the king. What are you talking about? There we go, that's working good. Q2 guy died. Alright, cool. This is going to go over a little bit. Because I'm going to actually, what am I saying? We're going to actually finish testing this. That's what I do, why not? Okay. These guys are on the wrong switch. That's what I was supposed to do. They're not freeze yet. Okay. Alrighty. So what I have to do, I knew there was something else I needed to do. Okay, so I gotta get another switch. Any spaces? Nope, I think I got rid of all my spaces. Good. Okay. So, how do you say it? When you reverse a spell. Let's just say removed. There. Okay, good. Turn that on. Okay, now we have to go to the other people in the city. It shouldn't be too hard to do. And change the switches. Oh, not there. There we go. I don't remember exactly how many people I have in here, but I can pretty much see what's going on. And this one should be the last one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all I see. This is something different. This has to do with him.
Alan?
Okay. So that's going to end this episode of Z3 RPG Development. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.